Next question, see here. It's a very very good question again. Square root of 44944 plus square root of 5.2441 is equal to question mark. Your answer options are 312, 441, 485, 17. None of these. These are your 5 answer options. Now listen carefully, sir. I already taught you how to find the square root of a number. Square root of 44944. Make a group of 2 digits. I can say that it is ending with 4. Answer will end with either 2 or 8. Like that, if I keep doing it, which I taught you in my first class, square root of 44944, I will get it as 212. Right? I will get it as 212. Similarly, square root of, ignore the decimal, 52441. 52441, I will get it as 229. But decimal inside the square root is after 4 places. Outside the square root should be after 2 places. So it is 2.29. But outside there is another square root. Sir, you are wasting too much of time if you are doing all these things. Think little bit and mark your answer so easily, sir. This is where my students' smartness should be so beautiful. Can I say that first number does not have decimal, so I will get a whole number inside the square root. Second number has a decimal, so square root of decimal number is a decimal value. Inside the square root I will get decimal. Square root of decimal will be a decimal value, and all the answer options are whole numbers. Answer is none of these. Who asked you to solve this question? Did anyone ask you to solve this question, sir? Did anyone tell you please start applying square root for this question? No one is asking you to do it. It's all about smartness, and by smartness only you will solve so many questions so beautifully. Please underline this statement from me. So many questions you will solve it so beautifully only by using smartness, nothing else. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. Answer square root of decimal number will also be a decimal value, but all the options are whole numbers. Next question. Square root of 7 square into 24 into 2 minus 11 cube plus 3 is equal to question mark. Right? Is equal to question mark. Your answer options are 42, 1024, 1764, 1024 whole square, 32. Right? These are your answer options. Now see here. I taught you in my previous class also. Divya, you asked me this variety of question. Please listen carefully, sir. I taught you in my previous class also. Square root of 9 is 3. I don't want to work with square root. 9 can be written as 3 square. Right? 9 can be written as 3 square. Eliminate the square root in the question. Square all the answer options. That will be the same logic what we can implement. Square all the answer options. If I square this fourth option, it will become power 4. Right? It will become power 4. Last option is again square. Right? Now see here. Can I say that if I apply digital sum, 49, 7 square is 49. 49 digital sum is 3 into, this is nothing but 4 plus 2, 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 digital sum is 3. Right? 49 digital sum is 4. 24 into 2 is the digital sum 3. 11 is 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 3 is what I got. Next, 4 into 3, 12. 12 is nothing but again 1 plus 2, 3. So your final answer for digital sum is, you got it as minus 2. I told you in my previous classes also. Why it is also I told you in my previous classes. Can I say that minus 2, whenever you get a negative value, add 9 in digital sum. Minus 2 plus 9 is 7. Question digital sum is 7. Answer digital sum should also be 7. 42, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 square is 36, 36 is 9, ruled out. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 square is 49, 49 digital sum is 4, it is not equal to 9, ruled out. Third option 1764, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 is 9, 9 square is 81, ruled out. Next 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 power 4, 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square, 7 square is 49, it is 4, 49 it is 4, 4 into 4 16, 16 digital sum is 7, right? 16 digital sum is 7. This may be the correct answer, right? This may be the correct answer. Last option 3 plus 2 5, 5 square is 25, 25 digital sum is also 7. This also may be the correct answer. Now I have got two options which are satisfying the digital sum of the question. That is the reason you should also implement unit digit concept in this particular question and get the answer very fast. Don't use unit digit in the first three options because anyway they are waste. They are already eliminated. Only check with other things. Can I say 7 square is 49? It is 9 into 4 into 2 is 8, it is 8 minus 1, 11 cube is 1, so plus 3, this is what I got. 9 into 8 is 72, 2 minus 1 plus 3, unit digit is 4, but can I say that unit digit is 4 inside the square root? Inside the square root if I take, it should be 4, right? It should be 4 inside the square root. Square root of 4, it will end with 2, it will end with 2, or it will end with 8, right? Square root of number ending with 4, it will end with 2 or it will end with 8. The options which are present right now, one is ending with 4, other is ending with 2. There is no option ending with 8. Fourth option ruled out, fifth option should be correct. Always try to express any number without square root, Divya, because square root will always make it little complicated. How can it be second option, Sharath? Samir Roy, whenever you find digital sum, if you get negative answer, add 9. In digital sum only you should add 9. I also told the reason in my first class or second class. How can it be second option, Sharath? Now see here, second option, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. What is 7 square, Sharath? 49. 49 digital sum is 4, but I should get the digital sum 7, right, Sharath? That is 7 square, Sharath. It is not 7. You missed out squaring that second option. 14% of 905 plus question mark is equal to 287. Options are 158.7, 160.3, 153.1, 162.5. None of these. Now, in my previous class, I told you this concept. A percentage of B is equal to B percentage of A. A percentage of B is equal to B percentage of A. That means 14% of 905 is nothing but equal to 905% of 14. Both are absolutely same. Now, forget about 905. 900% of 14 is 9 into 14. It is 126. Right? It is 126. Another 5% is there. 10% is 1.4, 5% is 0.7. So fast you can calculate, right, sir? Plus question mark is 287. Your answer is 287 minus 126.7. Don't use your subtraction method and simplify. Use a smarter approach. 287 minus 0.7, 126.7. Answer should end with 0.3. Answer should end with 0.3. There is only one option which is ending with 0.3. If there are two options, anyway it's not a bigger subtraction, it's also a very difficult subtraction. Solve it. But probably you are saving 1 second, right, sir, in using that unit digit concept. Yes, that is a very, very big number for me. 1 second also in each problem will help me tremendously well. Why not? Why not to save that? Keep seeing these problems, sir. Beautiful questions. 6269 plus 0.75 into 4444 plus 0.8 into 185 is equal to question mark. Options 9759, 9750, 9740, 9755, 9655. First thing that you need to observe is you need to observe your answer options. Answer options, every number is having different digital sum. If that is the case, digital sum is the best method. Digital sum is the best method if answer options are all having different digital sum. First of all, to find digital sum, you can eliminate 9 in all these answer options. You can delete 9, and then remaining options, almost every option has the same digital sum. Use the digital sum concept itself. Let us see, probably if one more option is having same digital sum, then we will move on to another method called as unit digit. First of all, 0.75 is 3 by 4. That by 4 and 4444 will cancel. You are left with 3 into 1111. This entire value is 3333. That you should make it very fast, right? That you should solve it very fast. Now, if I simplify further, can I say that this 9 will cancel? 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 digital sum. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 digital sum is 5, right? 14 digital sum is 5. 3333 is 12. 12 digital sum is 3. Next, 8 into 0.8 digital sum is 8. 1 plus 8, 9 cancels into 5. 8 into 5 is 40. 40 digital sum is 4. That means 5 plus 4 is 9 cancelled. Digital sum should be 3, right? Digital sum should be 3. Check out which options. First option is 7 plus 5, 12. Digital sum is 3. Might be a possibility. Second option is 7 plus 5, 12. Digital sum is 3. Might be a possibility. 7 plus 4, 11. It is not 3. Ruled out. 7 plus 10 plus 7 is 17. 17 is nothing but 1 plus 7, 8. Ruled out. Next it is 10 plus 6, 16. 16 is 7. Ruled out. There are only two options. Go for another concept called as unit digit. First value, this is nothing but ending with 9. It is 9. Second value is ending with 3. It is 3. Third value, 0.8 into 185. 0.8 into 185 is, I will get it as if I multiply 148.0. So unit digit is not 0 because it is decimal is there. Unit digit is 8 in this case. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Unit digit in the answer should be 0. This is not having unit digit 0. First is also ruled out. Yes. From digital sum I got 2 options, but by unit digit I got only 1 option. Simple. Next question. Similar kind of question. See this question. 3299 plus 0.125 into 888 plus 0.6 into 275 is equal to question mark. Your answer options are 3555, 35, 3565, 3570, 3575, and last option is 3580. These are your answer options. Now again listen carefully, sir. This is where I always emphasize my students not to miss my classes. 0.125 is 12.5 percentage, and in my fractions to percentages I taught you this so many times. In DI also I taught you this. 12.5 percentage is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 888. This entire value is 111. Divya, I believe that your doubt should be clarified from this example also. Entire value is 111. Apply digital sum. 9 cancels. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 111 digital sum is 3. And 0.6, it is 6. 2 and 7 cancel. 6 into 5 is 30. Digital sum is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 digital sum is 2. Check out with the answer options. 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 digital sum is not 2. Second option. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 19 digital sum is 1 plus 9. 10. 10 digital sum is 1. Not equal to 2. Ruled out. Third option. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 digital sum is 6. Not equal to 2. Ruled out. Fourth option. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20, which is equal to 2. It may be the correct answer. Fifth option. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 digital sum is 7, not equal to 2. Ruled out. There might be some problems wherein you will get only one option satisfying the digital sum, and this is one such example for such kind of problem. I told you what if more than one option also in so many of my previous questions. Please see this question. 126 into 128 plus 927 is equal to question mark plus 215 whole square. 215 whole square. Options are 3830, 3080, 3100, 5000, and the last option is none of these. Now this is where I told you exactly 5 minutes before, I think. Please have an eye on your answer options. All the answer options are ending with 0. Don't check unit digit concept and waste your time. Unit digit concept will not work out for this problem because of the simple reason that all the options are ending with 0. First, don't apply unit digit and waste your time, and then realize that all are unit digit 0. Rather, initially itself keep an eye on answer options and decide that unit digit is not the method that I need to implement in this problem. See this question. If I apply digital sum, can I say that this is nothing but, so this is nothing but 6 plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9. 9 multiplied by any number, digital sum is always 9. You cannot ignore my first class I taught you. I am repeatedly saying that statement for you people. 9 multiplied by any number, digital sum is always 9. I told it so many examples in my first class. Second plus 9 is cancelled, 7 plus 2 9 is cancelled. That is nothing but 0. Question mark plus 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 5 8. 8 square is 64. 64 digital sum is 6 plus 4 10. 10 digital sum is 1. Can I say that 9 should be added with some number? Okay, 9 is equal to some number plus 1. What should be added to 1 so that I will get 9? 8 plus 1 is only 9. That means the digital sum of the question mark should be 8. Answer also should have the same digital sum 8. Right? Answer also should have the same digital sum 8. If you check it out, 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 3 14, not 8. 3 plus 8 11, 11 is 2, not 8. 3 plus 1 4, not 8. 5000 is 5, not 8. Answer option is none of these. Answer option is none of these for this question. I hope the idea is clear. This is one of the way of solving the question. This is one of the methodologies which you can implement in solving this particular question. This is one of the method of solving this question. Answer is none of these. Now see here, sir. If you are little smart, yes, digital sum itself is a smarter approach. Unit digit elimination, I will not use unit digit for this question, is again another smarter thing. But if you are little more smarter, you can directly mark the answer within 1 or 2 seconds. How is that possible? 126 into 128 plus 927 is equal to question mark plus 215 whole square, right? 215 whole square. Now answer options are 3830. Second option is 3080. Third option is 3100. Fourth is 5000. Fifth is none of these. Listen to method 2 of solving this question, sir. Forget about 126. Forget about 128. In fact, 126 can be written as 127 minus 1. 128 is 127 plus 1. A minus B into A plus B, you can apply it. But I am little smart in solving this problem. I am little smart. Can I say that forget about 126 and 128? Assume that both are 125 and 125, right? Just assume it for a time being. If I make both of them as 125 and 125, 125 whole square, how much it is? I taught you 125 whole square is when the numbers are ending with 5. I taught you how to find the square. 5 square is 25. 12 into 13 is 156. If it is 125 into 125, My answer is somewhere in the range of 15,625. But this is 126 into 128. That's okay, sir. Slightly greater than 15,000. Assume it as 16,000 itself. Why to take 15? Assume it as 16,000 itself for your example, for your satisfaction. Plus 927. Assume another 1000 for example. Just assume it, sir. Another 1000. Question mark plus 215 whole square. Same logic. 5 square is 25. 21 into 22. 21 into 22 is 22 into 22 is 484. So it is 462. It is 46225. Can I say that this left hand side is 17,000? 17,000 is equal to question mark plus 46,225. That means for this 46,000 I should add something so that I will get 17,000. That means the question mark should be negative. Answer should be negative. But all the answer options are positive. How can those be the answer options, sir? Answer is none of these, definitely for sure, right? Answer should definitely be none of these, right? This is your smartness. And I want my students to be smarter than every other institute students. And I mean my statement. I hope I am making sense for you people. This is exactly what I want my students to become, to be very, very smart in analyzing and simplifying the problems, not by using those methodologies whichever you thought earlier. I hope the idea is clear, sir. Although the question is asking to find the exact value, I will use approximation sometimes to get the answer fast. Uma Mahesh, please do not ask all these things in between class and disturb the flow of class. You have my number, please contact me or please SMS me. This is for all the students. In fact, all the simplification class is already given. Till yesterday, whatever classes has been completed, everything is given to the enrolled students. I told that I myself is uploading for my students good. Everyone please comment in the live chat, sir, if method 2 is clear. Method 2 is something I want you to solve it in exam, not method 1. Anyway, method 1 is also a good method, but I want you to implement method 2 rather than method 1 so that you will shine it so fast. Next question. See this question. Again a very beautiful question. 2.7 into 12 into 7. 2.7 into 12 into 7 plus 5.8 into 6 into 10 is equal to question mark. Options are 574.2, 539.2, 532.6, 574.8, and the last option is none of these. Last option is none of these. Now, one of the ways of solving is by digital sum, other way of solving 5.8 into 10. This 10 I will multiply and make it as 58, right? I will make it as 58. Now, this is a whole number. 8 into 6 is 48. It will end with 8. Here 0.7 into 2 is 1.4. 1.4 into 7 is 0.8, ending with 0.8, right? It is ending with 0.8. Can I say that this is ending with 8.0, this is ending with 0.8? Answer should end with 0.8. Only one option. And believe me, sir, sometimes these varieties of questions also will come. You should first thing that you should remove from your mind is every time questions will be difficult. That is the first myth. That is the biggest myth in your examination. Questions are not difficult every time. You have made up your mind that it is difficult. That is the reason it looks difficult. Other than that, it's not difficult basically. Answer should end with 0.8. Rajashri, answer necessarily need not end with 8.8. Because for this 8, this will have some place here. That 8 will be added to those numbers. So it might change. Answer, but it will definitely end with 0.8.